Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm working on request number 2 for my short lock style series. So if you haven't seen the first style, I will try to link it above in the card somewhere. So today we're actually going to be working on this style right here. And as you can see, this style, I have my hair curled and I just took out the other style. It's 2 days later, so I wore that style for about 2 days and I just don't feel like curling my hair, but I'm going to try to do my best to recreate that style for you with my hair as is. It does have some texture, as you can see. It has like a bit of a wave or a looseness to it. I just don't feel like doing a rod set right now, but of course, if that's what you want to do, you could do the entire recreation and do a rod set so your hair is curled or certain type of curling type of style. So let's go ahead and get started with style number 2. My hair was split down the middle in the back. I'm just going to split my hair down the middle in the back. It's probably not going to be perfect because I have locks, of course, and the parts may not be straight, but part it as best as you can. And now I'm just going to take my hair tie and I'm going to group this section together back here, and I'm going to put it in a ponytail like so. And then I'm going to do the same with this side. So I did the 2 ponytails and I left out the bang section here in the front. So like I said, the sections were curled in that video, but I don't have curls, so I'm going to try to improvise a little bit. I just decided to try to do some lock petals, and these lock petals are not perfect, but I just put them together really quickly, and I'm just trying to perfect them. Okay, so I have one side done with the lock petals, and I feel like the lock petals kind of give that same look. So I was improvising the other side, so that's why I haven't really been saying anything. But now that I know what I'm doing, I'm going to do some lock petals on this side. So you're going to need some rubber bands. And I do have a video on me doing lock petals on my channel, but for a quick demo, you basically just take your locks and fold them down. Take a group of them, fold them down like this. Then you're going to take your rubber band and just wrap it around the group of the locks to secure them, just like that. You just keep doing the same thing. So now to figure out this front section, I'm not sure what to do with it, because in that video my hair was so much shorter and I could twist it and it would just stay in that form, curls. But now I'm not sure. I could do maybe a roll and tuck situation. Okay, so I went silent on you guys because I'm just trying to figure out what to do with this. I'm going to leave it like this. It's just like kind of pinned, tucked, and rolled this thing here down. Now I'm just trying to perfect it a little bit. I feel like this front part you can kind of freestyle how you want to, because depending on the length of your locks, this may not be an option. You can kind of gauge it from there. So I think that's pretty much it, you guys. Of course, this was me doing this off a whim. This could be perfected probably even better than this, but I still feel like it's pretty cute. Kind of giving elegant, but with a twist, with the lock curls, with the lock petals in the back, and the little pin, roll and tuck in the front. So I hope this helped with recreating style number 2. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.